is Haseeb Rehman. So today I'll show you how to fill the engine coolant and the screen washer. So first, this is the key. So this is the unlock button. So you press it once. There, the car is unlocked. So first you need to go to the driver side so you can open the bonnet. So here you can see here is the fuel cap lever and here is the bonnet lever. So you pull this one. That's the bonnet open. And here you can see that the bonnet will be something like this. So if you put your hand in, you can see in the middle there's a lever. So you pull it left and then pull the bonnet up. That's the bonnet. And here this is the stick. So you can properly secure the bonnet. So make sure it's properly secure. This is the engine. Here you can see this is the inventor coolant. So you can see it's top for the battery cool. So it's like top. And here you can see is the engine coolant. This one. So it goes through those pipes. So as you can see here, you can see all white, and at the bottom, right there, you can see like a bit pink. So that means it's low. So we need to get top up. So now this is the engine coolant. I got it from a normal shop. So they have to get your registration plate. So here I'm gonna fill it up now. There is the black bottle. I mean the lid. Here it's open. And here, there, it's a bit pink red. So now I have to top it up. So guys, this is engine coolant done. Now you can see that here the engine coolant is ready full up. So you can just close the lid for the engine coolant. Yeah, so the engine coolant is done. So now guys, we're gonna check the screen washer. So here you can see that there is no minimum maximum line. So when I was pulling the screen washer lever, so there wasn't any much water coming. So now we're gonna fill up the water screen washer. So here you pull this. Here you can see that this is the bottle. You can get it from a normal shop or Tesco. So now when you open the screen washer bottle, when you get it brand new, so here you can see this is a paper. So I'm opening with a key to make a hole. Guys, this is done. So now I'm gonna fill it. Here I'm filling the screen washer. So this is the screen washer full. So you can check it by the lever. So here, now I'm gonna close it. There. This is closed. And it took the whole bottle. Now I will shut down the bonnet. Here, so you put the stick in there, and now put it down. That's done. Now I'm in the car, so I'm gonna check that is enough water coming for the screen washer. So I'm just gonna put the car on, and then you pull the lever up. Yes, enough water is quite coming out. Yeah, so you can see it's coming. So this is the screen washer, and thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and bye.